Hello my friends, welcome back to my Southern kitchen. My name is Ellen. Are you looking for a different side dish to serve with your Easter ham? Well, I got you covered, and it's a Southern classic. Today's recipe I'm going to share with y'all pineapple casserole. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make, loaded with juicy pineapple, warm spices, and cheese. I know it sounds kind of strange, but once you taste this, I promise you, it is the bomb.com delicious. Y'all going to fall in love with this and will want to make this every year for Easter. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. Also check out my previous video, Southern Deviled Eggs. I'll post the link to that down in the description box below. So grab your baking pan, your spices, and your pineapple chunks, sugar, because we're about to bake some pineapple casserole magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first step we're going to do is grate our cheese. This is an 8-ounce block of sharp cheddar cheese. We need 1 cup, and I recommend grating it yourself instead of buying it already shredded because it melts better and it don't have any fillers. Let's get grating. Okie dokie, our cheese is nice and grated. We're going to set it aside. Let's work on our other ingredients. Let's work on our cracker topping. The recipe called for 1 sleeve of Ritz crackers, but I only have the small ones. So I'm going to use 4 small sleeves of Ritz crackers. Going to pour them into my Ziploc bag. Okie dokie, I got all my Ritz crackers into my bag. So now I'm going to crush them up using my rolling pin. All right, my friends, I got them nice and crushed. Now we're going to pour them into my medium bowl. Also, if you have a food processor, you can crush them up in there. So now into our crushed Ritz crackers, we're going to add in 1/4 cup, which is a half a stick, or 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. Going to stir these together until they're well combined. We want the consistency of wet sand. All right, my friends, I am through mixing up my crackers. This is what it looks like. Got it to the right consistency. That looks great. So now we are going to set this aside. Let's work on our pineapples. Over here, I have 2 20-ounce cans of pineapple chunks in pineapple juice. We're going to drain it and reserve 6 tablespoons of the juice. Alrighty, I got my 6 tablespoons of the pineapple juice. I'm going to drain my other can of pineapple chunks, and as soon as I get through doing that, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through draining my pineapples, and I set them aside. Let's make the filling for the pineapples. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 1/3 cup of white sugar. Into our sugar, we're going to add in 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon each of ground nutmeg and ground allspice, and the reserved pineapple juice. Again, that's 6 tablespoons. Going to stir all these together until they're well incorporated. It will create a paste. All right, my friends, now we're going to add in our pineapple chunks and fold them in until they're well blended. All right, my friends, I am through stirring my pineapples. I love the smell of the warm spices. So now we are going to pour it into our baking pan. We're going to pour it in an ungreased 8 by 8 inch square baking pan. Spread it evenly. Alrighty, now we're going to sprinkle on our shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Again, that's 1 cup. Now we're going to sprinkle on top our crushed Ritz crackers. Okie dokie, my friends. Now we are ready to put this in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. Going to let it bake for 30 minutes until it's bubbly. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Southern pineapple casserole. Don't that look good? The crust is golden brown and it's bubbly. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. So now I'm going to let it rest in the pan for 10 minutes and then I'll fix me up a plate and give it a taste. All right, my friends, I got my plate right here. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. The pineapples are juicy, perfectly cooked. I can taste the spices, and I love that tang from the cheddar cheese. The crust is buttery and crunchy. Has a great sweet and savory balance. This pineapple casserole is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Pineapple casserole-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and happy Easter.